Hey there! I'm here to share with you some vibrant tips to add color to your white kitchen and make it truly your own. Let's get started. First up, colorful appliances. Nothing says hello like a bright red mixer or a retro blue fridge right in the corner of your kitchen. These aren't just functional, they're statement pieces, turning what could be just a bland space into a scene stealer. Next, consider your cabinets. Ever thought about painting all your kitchen cabinets? Maybe a bold teal or a soft peach? Or if you like to mix things up, just paint the bottom cabinets for a grounded yet dynamic look. It's amazing what a little paint can do to transform your space. Now let's talk lighting. Opt for pendant lights with a splash of color or chandeliers with colorful glass accents. Lighting isn't just about seeing better, it's about creating an ambiance that complements the vibrancy of your kitchen. Chairs and cushions in bright colors can also add a playful touch. Choose a bold color for all your chairs or mix and match for a more eclectic vibe. It's a simple swap, but trust me, it makes all the difference. And don't forget the backsplash. Go bold. A colorful backsplash with vibrant tiles or even a custom mural can become the focal point of your kitchen. This isn't just about cooking, it's about creating a space that inspires you every day. If you have a kitchen island, why not make it pop? Paint it a contrasting color or cover it in unique tiles. It's like having a piece of art right in the middle of your kitchen. Lastly, show off your colorful cookware. If you have it, flaunt it. Place those bright pots and pans on open shelves or hang them where they can shine. Not only are they handy, but they also add bursts of color where you least expect. Transforming your white kitchen with these colorful tips isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels alive and truly reflects your personality. So why wait? Start adding some color to your kitchen today and see the magic unfold. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on turning your house into a home. Catch you next time.